Hey, welcome to Getting It Done North of 7. Today we're going to do a brush blade installation on a Stihl Weedeater. And today we're going to be installing this style of brush blade. It's like a saw blade sort of thing. We're going to take off the trimmer head and we're going to install this blade on this FS91 Stihl Weedeater. When you buy the blade, you get a kit. It'll come with this adapter cup. You're going to have this nut. Of course, your wrench. You're going to have this, I guess you would call it just a rod. It goes into the head of the trimmer. I'm going to show you in a second. And it's fairly simple. Okay, so now we're going to take this tool I mentioned. We're going to put it in this hole right here. You're going to turn the trimmer head till you find the hole that it slides into. See, now it locks it. You can't move this. So now you're going to take your trimmer head, your string head, and turn it counterclockwise. And it'll just unthread right off of the post. There we go. This will fall out. You're going to need this to put your blade on as well. Now we're going to take this blade, and let me say I've been using this blade for a year now. I've done a lot of work with it and it works really good. So when you put your blade on, you're going to see some print on your blade. It'll go up like this. You want the print up, but let's say the print is wore out. See, the print's just about wore out on this blade. So what do? Well, we know that our blade is going to turn counterclockwise. So the teeth, this is the sharp part of the tooth, it's going to, when it goes up, it's going to turn counterclockwise. So you're holding your Stihl Weedeater like this. This is counterclockwise. If we have it going that way, say it was this way, and it turns counterclockwise, you're going to be running on the back of the teeth, and that is not sharp at all. You're not going to be cutting anything. So you want to make sure that you put your blade on the right way, that your teeth are going to, when it's turning counterclockwise, that it's going to be cutting. So we're going to take this part here, put it back up. Then we're going to take our blade and we're going to put it up here like this. Just hold it in place. Then we're going to take our adapter cup. Your adapter cup will come with this washer here, and it's dished out. And the reason I'm mentioning that is because some of the older models will have this washer separate from the adapter cup. When you put the washer up, you want to put the dished out part of the washer up first against the blade. But with this adapter cup here, you can see that it's all one piece. It's not that hard to figure out. I just wanted to explain that for anybody that has the older models. So we're going to put that adapter cup up there. Okay, now that we have our adapter cup in place, we're going to put our nut on. Now remember, it's not like normal, it's not righty-tighty, it's lefty-loosey. We're just going to get it started. Then we're going to find the locking spot for this head. So once you find your locking spot and you have your tool in place, you're going to take your wrench and you're going to tighten this up. It's pretty simple. Just step by step and it's all ready. Make sure your brush blade is straight. You'll know if it isn't. It's going to wobble. You want to make sure it's centered. There, we'll just torque that down and it's ready. Just a simple thing to remember when you're tightening up the blade, make sure this blade is centered perfectly. There's a little bit of a washer that hangs at the bottom of that top ring there. And once you push it on there and you have this started, right? Then you push it on there, you find the center, put your post, that tool in the back here, tighten it up, and you should be golden.